Something briny is coming. National Pickle Month starts July 1st, 2025. It's July, and that means it's time to get your brine on because we're celebrating National Pickle Month all month long. Whether you're team dill, sweet, spicy, or crunchy, this is your time to shine. What to expect? Pickle themed giveaway, fun pickle facts and trivia, would you rather pickle edition games, printable pickle word searches, easy and delicious pickle recipes, hilarious memes and reels, oldie but goodie recipes, and all the sour, salty, crunchy fun you can handle. So grab your favorite jar of pickles, invite your fellow pickle lovers, and let's turn July into a juicy, briny blast. Don't forget to tag me and share your pickle finds, recipes, and funny moments using hashtag Mama Needs a Goal and a Pickle. Don't forget, if you're loving all this pickle fun, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single crunchy, briny, sweet, or spicy moment of National Pickle Month with Mama Needs a Goal. And trust me, you won't want to miss a bite.